This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable autoplay on Bluesky. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Bluesky. To enable or disable autoplay, autoplay is for videos and for GIF files. But to enable or disable it, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. On the pane on the left hand side, you want to go up to where it says Settings, click on Settings. Then on the center pane, you want to click on Content and Media. And then right up here, Autoplay Videos and GIFs. If this box is checked, then autoplay is enabled. If it is not checked, autoplay is disabled. That is how to enable or disable autoplay for videos and GIFs on Bluesky. Thanks for watching.